this is AwesomeKidzToys, and look what we have today. We have the Shopkins Little Secrets Secret Small Mall. Wow, look what a big small playset it is. It says right there, the ultimate transforming playset. Plus, as a bonus, we have an LOL Surprise Sparkle series. Let's start with the Sparkle series first. There's gonna be probably series 3 dolls as glittery. Oh, look, it's unicorn. We get 7 surprises inside. Let's start. Let me just peel it open. And these can be used as ornaments like the Blink series. Let's start. Let me just peel it open. Just start layer 1. Oh no, the layer's stuck. Let's start it. Is the layer stuck to our secret message? Let's get this off. Let me use some scissors. Come on, get off. This layer is so hard to get off. Come on, layer. Come on. It's too hard to get off, but let's try still. Here we go. Zippers away. Let's just go. Do it. Okay, here we have a secret. Oh no, it's stuck. Is it glitter power? I think it's glitter power. I don't know because this secret clue ripped. I think it's glitter power or sparkle power. If I'm not right, tell me in the comments. Okay, let me just peel away. That was the perfect zip. Let's just do the next layer. It's hologram. Look how shiny. We've got a pink ball this time. We've got our sticker. Oh no, the layer's getting stuck. Just get this. We've got some stickers. The doll can either color change, spit, tinkle, or cry. Oh look, it's Dawn. She says, wake up and sparkle. And here's Dust saying, glitter like the night skies. Let's go for the last and final layer. Another perfect zip. Yes, 2 perfect zips. Let me just peel this layer off. And there's a clear plastic layer too, so let's peel this off. Starts all the way here. Let me just get it off. Here we go. Now we've got a ball. It's like tinsel. It's like Christmas. Let's see who we can get in this collection. Wow, there's so many dolls. We've got Independent Queen, Boss Queen, Dawn, Dusk, Show Baby, Unicorn, Pharaoh Babe, Go-Go Girl, Punk Boy, Snuggle Babe, Vera Cutie, and Glamstronaut. Let's see who we'll get today. Now, I'm just gonna open the doll up right away. We've got Pharaoh Babe. Hello, Pharaoh Babe. Hi. Pharaoh Babe is black-haired with dark skin tone. She has purple eyes, and I've never seen purple eyes in an LOL. Green eyeshadow, I believe. Pink lips. She's gorgeous. Let's open this up. See what surprise we've got inside. I think we've got some shoes. Yep, we've got shoes. Ah, one shoe fell. Just wait till I get it. Okay, I got the shoes. So they're little teal glitter shoes with gold bottoms. So cute. Oh, we got an accessory in here. Man, that's a tiny accessory. I think it's a pacifier. Oh no, they're bracelets. They're gold with little green details. That's cute. Next surprise, we've got the outfit. It's so cute. It's like teal, it's like a glitter top and glitter skirt with like underbottom. So cute. Let's get it off. Now, as I mentioned in one of my videos, LOL outfits can be hard to put on. So I usually cut this part to make it easier to put on. Remember, be careful to not ruin your outfit. I just do this to make it easier. And we are missing 2 more things. We've got, I think the bottle. Yes, it's the bottle. It's teal with gold glitter top. And I think we've got another surprise here. Oh no, wait, we've got 2. Let's see what we've got here. Oh, we've got an accessory. I don't know what type of accessory it is, but it's cute. It's gold with teal and black accents, and it's shimmery. See what we've got in here. We've got a glitter headband. It's so cute. Now let me dress Pharaoh Babe. Oh, I just popped her head off. Please stand by. Okay, everything's back. Let's dress up. Oh man, this leg is like glue. But if I move it around, it'll be good. Just move it around a little. Put the glitter top on. There we go. Not the glitter top, the glitter skirt. Here we go. The headband. This thing, I don't know how it's put on. Check the checklist to see how it's done. Ah, I see. Okay. Here we go. Bracelets on. Since I don't have any water nearby, I can't see what her water surprise. But here's Pharaoh Babe. She is so adorable. Like if you agree if she's adorable. Cleaning up difficulties out of the way. Now let's put our little dolly somewhere here. I'm putting her in a spot where you can't see her on cam. Now let's move on to the Shopkins Little Secrets Secret Small Mall. This came out in June and it wasn't in Target since it released. So I finally found it. 2 months of looking. There's unlock levels of secrets inside. There's a fashion store, frozen aisle, food court, ice cream truck, and a supermarket. There's 2 exclusive teeny shoppies. They're right here and they come with a shopping cart. Let's turn it around. Ugh. Let's see what it says here. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Okay, let's see what this says. See, unlock a world of surprises with your keys. There's a world of tiny secrets inside the secret small mall. Use the keys to unlock the shops and discover levels of secrets to adore. There's 2 exclusive teeny shoppies, Glossy and Rainbow Cake. Oh, this is so cute. Now, shall we get this out of the box? Here we've got the keyring plus 3 keys. Let me get this out. 1 key, which is an S sign. The second key, which is a high heel with some hearts. The keyring, which is so adorable, it looks like a heart, and it clips open so you can hang the keys. And then our last key is the shopping cart. Now let's put these all on the keyring. 1, 2, and a 3. we go 3 keys on the key ring. So cute. Technical difficulties, please stand by. Okay, I am back, and that was the most difficult box to open ever. I'm not joking, it was so hard. We've got our Shoppies Glossy in Rainbow Cake. Rainbow Cake has purple hair with cute yellow headband and a blue dress, pink sock, pink leggings, and yellow shoes. Glossy, which is a Shoppie I've actually never seen, has mint hair like peppermint, cute little eyes, pink dress, a little bun, I believe, like a hot pink socks, and light pink shoes. And they have a shopping cart with a little place for them to stand on it to look like they actually are using it. So let's unlock them all. Let's see. There's an ice cream truck too here. Let's open it up. It's white with hot pink details and yellow wheels that actually roll. Let's open. Inside here, there's a little menu for ice cream $1 and then 2 that are $2. Oh, there's so many details. Look at all that. Can you even see that detail? That is incredible. But let's put this back. There's lots of places. I'm gonna pull out my little Shoppies that I have for my option. I have Just a Cake and Clover Cupcake. The little locket with Bella Bow and Rhonda Ruffle shorts. I have another locket with Tiara Sparkles and Carrot Crystal pendant. A lock with, a lock with Buddy Bone and Belle, or Isabel as they call her in Little Shoppie version. And I have to unopen lock. The art scratched off, so I customized it with stickers. I have, I believe it was that, nope. I have Lippy Lulu's Beauty Salon with the Shopkins somewhere. I have a good amount of these. And then the smoothie, which I unboxed, and it's the special edition. This is, if you want to see a boxing of this lot, it's in the blind bag craze. There are all of my little Shoppie, not little Shoppie, but teeny Shoppies. But where are the exclusive Shopkins to this set? Like, I miss that. Okay, let's use a key. I think we have to use this key or this key. I'll use this key. Let's just push. Oh, wow! Look at all of that detail! That is incredible. It is like a little supermarket with a little cash register. The conveyor belt actually rolls, I believe. There's a little window on the outside. The doors, I believe, slide. Yeah, they slide. They slide. It's so cute. There's a little, I believe, something. A little like door here. So cute. There's a dairy aisle with milk. Actually, this is like for like jams, I believe, and that. There's a little, I don't see what that is, but it's cute. We have a little elevator, and the door swings. So now let's use this S key to unlock the next layer. Let's do it. Wow, it pops open. This is adorable. I'll have to hire the camera for you guys to see this. I'll have to hire it to the max. There's like a little ice cream spot, I believe. It's like a ice rink, it looks like to be sled. That is so cute. Looks, the shopping cart moves around. See that? So cute. Little freezer area. I believe this is the frozen section. There's ice cream. There's a food court too. The shoppies can eat here too. Beautiful. We have like a little like seating. Let me get a shoppy to show you. Like we just put her in the sit position and we clip her legs in. Clip them in. Clip, 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 clip. There we go. Now she's sitting eating. I am in love. There's even a fashion store too. Let's get the keys. We need this key. I'm sorry for the flickers that are happening. Here we go. Fashion store. Let's just push it in. It's not going. There we go. Now look at this little, oh, my keys are falling. Now look at this little, there's a little change room here. I believe it was something that swings open. I believe the curtains here swing or like something like that. They swing open, it's just kind of hard. Let me just try and push it. There's a little runway, that's a runway, changing room. A little spot for clothing. On the bottom, there's a cash register, shoes, or some nail polish, I mean. I believe these are handbags and a bunch of shoes here. There's a little area here where you can, like, sit down. It's so cute. And everything closes up for a nice little compact. Now, I'm gonna have to set up a shopping scene. I have to. Now, just please wait a minute. No, please wait a minute till AwesomeKidzToys gets everything for this ready. Now, please wait a minute for AwesomeKidzToys to get all of this ready. I have set up a scene with Pineapple, Lily, and Molly Mango up there in the frozen section. Lippy Lulu and her little Shopkins bestie right in the food court. Jessica Cake in the elevator. She has Clover Cupcake in there. Yep, right there. We've got Belle shopping over there. We've got Rainbow Cake driving through selling ice cream. You've got Tiara Sparkles over there shopping with Kara Crystal pendant. We've got Glossy as the cash register there. And we've got Bella Bow shopping for clothing. Now, let's do this. This is AwesomeKidzToys. Be sure to like and subscribe. Bye-bye!